Let's simplify each one of these polynomials. In this first example, we're adding two polynomials, and there's understood to be a plus sign there. And when you've got a plus sign in front, it's like a positive 1, and you're multiplying everything on the inside by positive 1, and of course that will not change anything. So you're dropping your parentheses. And let's combine like terms. Like terms have the same variable part. So 3x plus 7x, that's a 10x, and a plus 2 minus 1 is a plus 1. Number 2, you need to distribute this negative 2 to get rid of your parentheses. And that will be negative 10x squared. Negative 2 times negative 2 is a positive 4. And that's all you can do. Look at number 3. You have a negative sign out front. You need to distribute it. That's like a negative 1. Negative 1 times 6x squared is negative 6x squared. Negative 1 times 5 is minus 5. Now distribute the negative 3. Negative 3x plus 24. Now, negative 6x squared, there's no more x squareds. Bring down the minus 3x, and then negative 5 plus 24 is a positive 19.